Welcome back to the Caribou Data Science channel. It's Tuesday evening, October the 13th, and the random state for this evening's analysis is Montana. I think that's is that the Big Sky Country or something like that? So let's begin with creating our markdown file. And name it over here. Now, I think Montana is one of those countries where you have more trees than you do people. Certainly more cattle than you do people. But anyway, that's a whole different story. Okay, this is pretty much with everything in here. Back over here. Let's copy this right here first of all. Set up our let's come here, grab some data. Okay, let's just run this and see what's going on here. Okay, as you can see, the average number of cases in Montana is 85. The average number of deaths is less than 1. The maximum is 10. Maximum 7 and 12 cases in one day. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's plot our cumulative numbers first. Let's take a look at our two plots here. This is rather a steep increase. What they're apparently around what this is 10. This would be 1250 or something, my guess. So this would be, I don't know, 17, 18,000 cases, a little over 200 deaths. So now we do the daily cases and deaths. Well, you can certainly see their cases are spiking upward to 600 cases per day. Deaths are spiking upward also to between 7.5 deaths per day and 10. But the lowest average is about between 2.5 and 2.75 maybe. Okay. Mortality rate should be interesting seeing how we don't actually have any very few deaths. I'm not sure how I wind up with 100% mortality rate, but anyway, let's look at weekly and monthly cases. First, we look at weekly cases. Right here you can see that the cases are spiking up for the first week in October. They're about, this is 500, about 3,500 cases so far this week. And while the bad news is the cases and deaths are also spiking. They're all be only spiking up as 25 for a single week. So that doesn't really, uh, it's not that big of a deal, I don't think. Take a look at monthly numbers. You can see that monthly cases has almost caught September cases, even if we're only 2 weeks in. Deaths, well, they certainly had a spike in deaths, is what it was 50, 60, 75 here, 75 deaths in September. Okay. Uh, you know, cases spiking up around 6,000 and 5,000. Okay. Okay, so that's just run this report from the top just to make sure we haven't missed anything. Mm, okay, so that takes care of Montana's report. Thanks for your time this evening. We'll catch you tomorrow with some more reports.